Welcome to our skills lesson for today. We are in Unit 4 still. Yes, we have been talking about two-syllable words this week. We got some new tricky words, plus some bonus content on that. What we're going to do to warm up today, we're going to do a chain. We're going to chain, but instead of changing one sound at a time, we're going to change one syllable at a time. Remembering our rules that a syllable must have a vowel sound. That's where we can make that break. So each syllable has one vowel sound. Number of syllables is equal to the number of vowel sounds. So let's go ahead and make a quick chain, making changes based on syllables instead of sound. All right. The first word in our chain is faster. Faster. Okay? Now I'm not asking you to spell yet. That's the next goal. The first word in our chain is fast. We'll put the little dot because that's what we're seeing when we're looking at it in print right now. Faster. You hear the at-er? That's two syllables. So to go from faster to helper, am I changing the first syllable or the second syllable? The first syllable. Good. I'm going from faster to helper. I changed the first syllable. The first syllable. Good job. Faster to helper. Okay. From helper to better. Which syllable am I changing? The first syllable. Thank you. Is staying the same. Better. Faster, helper, better. From better to letter. No. Tell me the sound. What syllable am I changing? I'm changing the first syllable from better to letter. It was a coincidence that it happened to be a single sound change, but remember, we're changing by syllables this time from letter to quicker. Which syllable am I changing? The first syllable or second syllable? The first syllable again. Yes, I noticed most of these are first syllable. So so we hear two different vowel sounds, which means that's two syllables making one word. So quicker. Good job. So from letter to quicker. From letter to quicker. From quicker to quickest. Now where's my change? The second syllable. Good. I went from to Yes, to quick-ist. Now, I do want us to take a note here and look. So in quicker, the vowel sound is Quicker, the vowel sounds. That U is part of the Q. That's a diagram. That's a consonant diagram. That U does not function separately from the Q. So it's not a number of vowels, it's a number of vowel sounds. And quickest, it's Okay? So Good job. Good job. Remember, the ER is one of those bossy R's. All right, from quickest to fastest. From quickest to fastest. Where am I changing this word? The first syllable, yes. Fastest. Good. Remember, we're only seeing these dots because we're working, this is new. And when we're actually writing out sentences and stories, you don't need to put a dot between your syllables. This is just to help our brains process the new information, guys. Processing new information. Good. So now that we've seen a chain of two-syllable words where we change the word based on syllable and not by sound, I want to practice spelling some two-syllable words. Using the sound rules, we know to spell some two-syllable words, okay? So, we're going to do some two-syllable words. Yes, we're going to write some out. So, like, for example, if we have the word, so I want you to tap out the word cat. At. Cat. Now, tap out the word fish on the other hand. Ish. Fish. Now, could you know catfish? Can you spell catfish now? You can, because you know the rules for cat and you know the rules for fish. So you can go catfish and make one two-syllable word. So cat plus fish becomes catfish, right? Yes, good. Now these types of two-syllable words either are compound words, taking two small words and putting them together, or we're adding an ending to an existing word, adding an ing, adding an adding an est. It's introducing a new vowel sound, therefore it's a new syllable. So my first word for you that we're going to spell together, no, you're going to try, I'm going to spell. You ready? Sandbox. The word is sandbox. So first let's clap it. Sandbox. How many vowel sounds are there? 2, which means there are 2 syllables. So let's tap out sand. And sand, box, ox, box, sandbox. So just taking our time with it. We're not rushing. We're going to do each sound. And ox, sandbox. We're adding the dots because this is new and we want our brains to process it. We will take these dots away. The dots are going to go away. Good job. The next word, bending. Bending. Clap it first. Bending. There's 2 claps. There was 2 chin drops. Means there are 2 syllables. So, bend. Okay. Ing. Remember that even though it's acting funny, not making the proper I sound, it is still separate from the ing. Good. So there are 2 sounds in the second syllable. So our first word, this is not a chain or anything, sandbox. Our next word is bending, like air bending, like Avatar. Yeah. So using the rules and sounding out each syllable, bend, ing, bending. So we sound out and spell out each individual syllable and bring them together to make a bigger, longer word. Ooh. How about bumping? Say bumping. Good job. Now clap. Bumping. Bumping. We hear Good. Bump. Ing. Bumping. So literally like bumping happening now. The verb. So we're going to do, you ready? And we're going to bumping. Bending might be a verb too. Bending is a verb, like air bending, water bending. Yeah, so just bending. Adding some little details. Sandbox. Sandbox. Sandbox is a noun. We're going to keep practicing this stuff. What about, how about we do sunset? Sunset. Say sunset. Good. Let's clap it. Sunset. Tap it. Sun. Set. Bring your parts together. Sunset. Sunset. We can now spell and write sunset. So, cool. Sunset. Person, place, thing, or idea. Yes. Even though we cannot physically touch the sunset for the sake of is it a thing or is it a do? It's a thing. Okay? All right, let's do definitely one more. Definitely at least one more. Helping. Say helping. Good. We hear the and that funky that's on the ing, right? Because it's not quite like a straight but it's like a little tweaked because the is a special sound. So, up, ing, helping, helping. Can we sound out helping now? We can. Good. Okay. Help. Help. Ing. Helping. And based on what we talked about, adding ing is helping a noun or a verb. It's a verb. Good. We want it to be an action thing. We want people when they're helping us to be doing something, right? All right, let's make this the last one. You ready? Footprint. Say footprint. Good. Clap. Footprint. Footprint. We hear I. Those are our vowel sounds. What's the vowel sound in foot? What's the vowel sound in print? I. Good. Let's tap them out now. Foot. Print. That's a big one. Yes. So footprint is 2 syllables because there are 2 vowel sounds. And we have the tools to sound it out. So we can go to O. Foot. That's foot. Yeah, we know foot. Print. So foot, print. Foot, print. Do it without the space. Footprint. Footprint. And footprint. You ever left a footprint in the sand? Yes. Could you touch that footprint? Yes. So is that a thing? It is. It is a thing. Good. Footprint. Great. Let me see. I did say last one, didn't I? I did. So let's read what we have and clap them. Sandbox. Ending. Bumping. Sunset. Helping. Last one. Footprint. Just one of them. Just one for print. Good job, guys. Good work. Excellent. We're going to keep working on this, and you'll see a lot more of this in your reading more than anything. You'll see this in your reading. You'll see it in your reading, yes, because we are on to grade level reading. Woohoo! So part of that means that you can complete sentences using 2-syllable words. We're only going to do the front side of PP15 today. We're not going to do the back side. We're going to spread it out because 2-syllable words, we're getting bigger words, And we'll actually do the first one together because it's given to you. It says, Jen went blank to the yard. Well, of our answer choices, what we have marked out is outside. So, out-I. She went out-I. Outside. 2 vowel sounds, out and I. 2 distinct vowel sounds made by 2 different vowel digraphs. Let's complete that sentence. Jen went outside to the yard. So like Heike, you should definitely have this one right because I gave you the answer, huh? Yes. Okay. Now the other thing today is you're going to read a text called Mandrills. You're going to read a text called Mandrills. And one of the things that I want you and need you paying attention to is find out what mandrills and chimps have in common. Even just looking at the pictures from the other day's story, chimps, and today's story, mandrills, you should notice some obvious similarities, but in reading, you need to be able to identify or tell me, no, look, see, read what mandrills and chimps have in common. Now, in this text, I want to preview the 2-syllable words that are in it. The first one being the title. So, clap it. Mandrill. So the mandrills is a 2-syllable word. You'll also see the word looking. Looking, which is an action. Someone right now is doing the look. To look, yes. And grooming. Grooming. So when someone is grooming, that is cleaning your body. Brush. In the case of these mandrels, brushing hair or fur. Brushing, like brushing your hair, brushing your teeth. For them, it's brushing of their fur. So grooming. And one more. What am I doing? Oh, I'm yawning. It's happening right now, so I add the ing. So yes, there will be some yawning, okay? And another word, not two syllable, but two separate words that are in the text I want to preview with you is plant shoots. Those are two separate independent words, but they are connected in a phrase, and that means young plants. So plant shoots are young plants. Male in this context is a boy, not like stuff that comes in the mailbox. So male, a boy. And a mandrill is a type of monkey. A mandrill is a type of monkey. Okay. So that leaves me with just one final reminder to give you, and that is that your spelling test on the words from 6.1 is tomorrow. Make sure you are utilizing your spelling choice board to help you prepare. I can't wait to see how you do. I'm done. But no, if you have questions or if you need any help or you're not sure if you can't remember how to get to your your grades, see if you're missing anything, you're like, oh snap, we still gotta do Waterford. Yes, you do. Let me know what you need so I can help you out. Like I said again, I'll say it again, I am done, and I will see you guys later. Bye.